Welcome back students. अब हम करेंगे mass weight and density question 26 to question 30. Let's start. Question 26. A body of mass 10 kg falling freely in the gravitational field close to the moon's surface has an acceleration of 1.6 meters per second square. What is the gravitational field strength on the moon? It's gonna be the same 1.6, but the units are gonna be different. The units are gonna be newtons per kilogram. So the answer is B. Just for reference, अर्थ पे 10 meters per second स्क्वायर होता है, राइट? राइट, होता है ना? बट अगर हमने ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ अर्थ की नोट करनी हो तो दैट्स स्टिल 10 Newton per kilogram, राइट? सो दैट्स एन एग्जांपल. सो मून पे भी सेम अप्लाई होगा. Question 27. A block of metal is placed on an electronic balance to record its mass. What is the unit of the reading on the electronic balance and what is the unit of the weight? Unit of the weight is always Newton. Unit of the weight is Newton, so it's either B or D. And the electronic balance, you're gonna be using grams, right? So B is the right answer. Question 28. What happens to an object when it is moved to a location where the gravitational field strength is slightly greater? Acha, its de its density is decreased. No, its mass is decreased. No, its weight is increased. That's the right answer because W is equals to mg, right? W is equals to mg, right? And the mass stays the same. So the only variable is the gravitational field strength. The mass stays the same wherever you go. So the only variable is gravitational field strength. अच्छा, अब मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल अर्थ है ना, तो W इज इक्वल्स टू, अगर अर्थ पे एक 10 किलोग्राम की चीज है, इट्स गोना बी 10, द मास गोना बी 10 एंड multiply by 10, right? This is gonna be, the weight is gonna be 100 because it's gonna be multiplied by 10. The mass is gonna be multiplied by 10 to give us the weight. That's gonna be 100. The weight is gonna be 100. Like, but हम एक slightly greater gravitational field में जाएंगे तो weight is equal to mg. M is gonna stay the same. The mass will still be 10 kilograms, but the g will vary. G change होगा, gravitational field strength change होगी, which can be slightly greater than 10, maybe 11, maybe 12. So it's gonna give us a weight of 120, right? So C is the right. 29. Two cylinders P and Q are made of copper. The height of P is twice the height of Q. The diameter of P is half the diameter of Q. Which statement is correct? The density of cylinder P is 4 times. Density में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा क्योंकि it's made of the same material. It's made of the same material और हमें कोई compression का variable भी नहीं दिया हुआ, right? It's made of the same material. So the density of P is equal to the density of Q. So C is the right answer. Because उन्होंने बोला हुआ है both of them are made of copper. It's just a tricky question. They're just trying to put us off, right? Question 30. An astronaut travels to the International Space Station. Which row describes how his mass and his weight compare with their sizes on Earth? अभी मैंने आपको बताया था mass does not change. Mass does not change because it's the amount of matter in a specific amount of volume, right? That's what mass is. Weight, on the other hand, weight depends on the gravitational field strength. तो ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ कम होगी ना, बिकॉज अक्सर अगर आप किसी एस्ट्रोनॉट की वीडियो देखते हो एंड देर इन आउटर स्पेस, देर ऑफ ऑफन टाइम्स दे आर फ्लोटिंग, राइट? ऑफन टाइम्स दे आर फ्लोटिंग, दैट implies कि gravitational field strength कम है on space, अर्थ के मुकाबले. So it's different, the weight is going to be different, so the answer will be C. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great one. Allah Hafiz.